Hello my dear students, I hope you all are fine. This is your chemistry class and today we are going to start revision from the chapter number 3, that is elements, compounds and mixtures, and today we are going to revise the topics symbols of an element, atomicity, chemical formula of a compound, valency, then steps to write the chemical formula. So let's start with symbols of an element.
A symbol or an abbreviation used to represent an element, that is called chemical symbol. So symbol is used to represent an element. ये क्या करता है? किसी भी element को represent करता है. Sir John Dalton, that was English chemist, physicist and materialist. He developed a set of pictorial symbols for some elements. He was developed some pictorial symbols that are given these. Okay, these are the pictorial symbols that was developed by Sir John Dalton. He developed this symbol for hydrogen, this is for phosphorus, this is for copper, then gold, carbon, sulfur, lead, platinum, oxygen, iron, silver, mercury. So now we will see some other symbols. Mostly the symbols start from the first letter of the element. Like in case of carbon, the first letter is C. So its symbol is C. In case of iodine, the first letter is I. So its symbol is I. So in oxygen, the symbol is O. For sulfur, S. For hydrogen, H. For phosphorus, P. And for boron, B. But this criteria does not hold for all the elements, because there are some elements whose names starts from same letters. So in this case, we have to use another letter. Okay, when two or more letters elements have their names beginning with the same letters, one more letter is added to the symbol in order to avoid confusion. For example, in case of chromium and chlorine, these both started from C. So for avoid confusion, we have to use the another letter. H is same, so we have to use R and here L. These are some elements in which we have to use the another letter also. Aluminium, for aluminium we use Al. For bromine we have to use Br. For silicon we have to use Si. For chlorine we have to use Cl. For cobalt, Co. For helium, He. For magnesium, Mg, calcium, Ca, for lithium, Li, and for zinc, Zn. You have to learn these tables. Next one is, sometimes the symbols does not match the names of the elements. Sometimes what will happen? The symbol name does not match with the element name. For example, in case of silver, its name starts from S, but the symbol is start from A. The symbol is Ag, but the element name is silver. So in that case, these elements are derived from the Latin or Greek names of the element. These are taken from the Greek names. For silver, the Greek name is argentum. So symbol is Ag. So in this way, for gold is aurum and the symbol is Au. So in this way, these symbols are derived from these Latin words, okay, not from these elements. So you have learned these Greek names also. Our next is atomicity. What is atomicity? The number of atoms present in a molecule of an atom is called its atomicity. मीन्स किसी भी एलिमेंट में कितने नंबर ऑफ एटम्स प्रेजेंट हैं, किसी भी एलिमेंट में कितने नंबर ऑफ एटम्स प्रेजेंट हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड इट्स एटॉमिसिटी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, in case of helium there is only one atom is present. In case of hydrogen there are two hydrogen atoms are present. So depending upon atomicity, molecules can be monoatomic. Mono means one atom, means like helium. Diatomic means two atom like hydrogen. Triatomic is in which there are 3 atoms. Tetraatomic means in which there are 4 atoms. Let us see here. These are the types of molecules and these are the examples. Types of molecules are monoatomic, diatomic, triatomic and tetraatomic. These are their examples. Monoatomic examples are helium, neon, argon, sodium. Diatomic examples are oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, iodine. Triatomic examples are ozone and tetraatomic example is phosphorus. Look at these. Monoatomic means only single atom is present here. Here only single atom of helium is present and single atom of neon is present. In diatomic there are 2 atoms of oxygen are present. There are 2 atoms of hydrogen are present. In triatomic there are 3 oxygen atoms are present. In tetraatomic there are, tetra means 4. So 4 atoms are present here. Okay. So next one is chemical formulas of the compound. What do you mean by the chemical formulas? Chemical formula is the number of atoms present in one molecule of a compound are represented using the chemical symbols of its constituent element and is called the chemical formula. The number of atoms that are present in compound. कंपाउंड में कितने नंबर ऑफ एटम्स प्रेजेंट है वो हम रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ सिंबल्स. ओके, with the help of symbols of their element. That was called chemical formulas. For example, molecules of water. How we represent water molecule? H2O, which means it contains 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. So chemical formula of water is H2O. It represents there are 2 hydrogen atoms are present and 1 oxygen atom is present. So this is the chemical formula of the compound. The compound is water here. These are some compounds and their formulas. For magnesium oxide, the formula is MgO. Calcium oxide, CaO. Copper oxide, CuO. O is for oxide. Okay, these are some compounds and these are their formulas. You have to learn these formulas also. Okay, so our next term is valency. What do you mean by valency? The combining capacity of the atom of an element is called its valency. Means कोई भी atom कितने atoms के साथ combine हो सकता है. ठीक है, that was called its valency. Valency is whole number, like it varies from 1 to 8. किसी एटम की वैलेंसी 1 भी हो सकती है, 2 भी हो सकती है, 3 also, 4 also, 5 also and 6, 7, 8 also. It varies from 1 to 8. An element with valency 1 that is called monovalent. जिसकी वैलेंसी 1 होगी उस एलिमेंट को क्या बोलोगे? मोनोवैलेंट. मीन्स मोनो मीन्स 1. सो मोनोवैलेंट मीन्स वो एलिमेंट, वो एटम है जो कंबाइन कितनों के साथ कंबाइन करेगा? ओनली 1 एटम के साथ. विद वैलेंसी 2 कॉल्ड डाइवैलेंट, विद वैलेंसी 3 कॉल्ड ट्राइवैलेंट. लेट्स सी द वैलेंसी चार्ट. These are the valencies of some elements like hydrogen. What symbol is used for hydrogen? The first letter of the hydrogen, that is H. So symbol is H and its valency is 1. Means this atom is combined with one more atom. You see na? Hydrogen is combined with H, then it will give H2. This is called hydrogen gas. Okay. So next carbon. Carbon symbol is C and its valency is 4. Means it can combine with 4 another atoms. And the valency of oxygen is 2. It will combine with 2 more atoms. And for chlorine, the symbol is Cl and valency is 1. So it will combine with 1 more atom. For potassium is 1. Nitrogen is 3 or 5 also. It can combine with 3 also and 5 also. For iron, valency is 2 or 3. For sodium, valency is 1. For magnesium, valency is 2. And for calcium, valency is 2. For copper, valency is 1 also or 2 also. Sometimes it show valency 1 and sometimes it show valency 2. Aluminium show valency 3. Next, we have discussed about steps to write a chemical formulas. You have to learn these steps, then you are able to write the names of chemical formulas. So our first step is write the symbol of an element present in the compound. पहले हमने क्या करना है उस एलिमेंट का सिंबल लिखना है जो कंपाउंड में प्रेजेंट है. कंपाउंड में कौन कौन से एलिमेंट प्रेजेंट है, सो हम पहले क्या लिखेंगे, उनका सिंबल. सो अवर फर्स्ट स्टेप इज राइट द सिंबल्स ऑफ एन एलिमेंट दैट इज प्रेजेंट इन द कंपाउंड. नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज राइट द valencies of the constituent elements below them. Then we have to write their valencies below them. Okay. फर्स्ट हम क्या करेंगे, पहले हम कंपाउंड में जो भी एलिमेंट्स हैं उनके सिंबल लिख देंगे. नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज उनकी वैलेंसीज लिख देंगे. नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज क्रॉस ओवर द वैलेंसीज ऑफ दीज एलिमेंट्स एंड राइट देम विद द एलिमेंट. क्या करेंगे, हम क्रॉस ओवर कर देंगे उनको, फिर उनके वैसे वैलेंसीज का ऑर्डर लिख देंगे. सो लेट्स सी कैसे करना है ये. For example, in case of compound water, this is the compound. Firstly, we have to know the element's name. Here there are two elements are present. One is the hydrogen and the other one is oxygen. Elements present are hydrogen and oxygen. First step is symbol name. First step is our symbol name. For hydrogen, symbol name is H. For oxygen, symbol name is O. Second step is we have to write their valencies below them. So second step is valency. Valency of hydrogen is 1 and valency of oxygen is 2. Third one is crossover. Then you have to cross over them like H with 2 and O with 1. So you have to write 2 under H and 1 under O. Got it? Then the next step is formula. How many H are present here? H 2. So you have to write at the foot of H and O 1 like this. You can also write like this. You have to skip one. Okay. Next is in case of potassium oxide, elements present are potassium and oxygen because oxide is oxygen atom. Okay. So step 1 is for potassium we have to use K. Which symbol is used for potassium? K. and for oxygen O. Okay. Next step is we have to write down their valencies. Potassium's valency is 1 and oxygen's valency is 2. Then the third step is cross over. We have to cross over them, K2 and O1. Then we have to write down 2 under K and 1 under O. Okay. So what will be the formula of this? K2 O1. You have to skip 1, K2O.